Hey everyone, Eli here with Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing you a look at this Doakhirmit MagSafe wireless car charger. This uses Qi 2.0 technology, 15 watts, and you basically just put your phone up to it. It uses MagSafe, so it'll go ahead and snap into place and it'll automatically start charging. It's got a USB port down here. You use this included USB to USB cable. You do need the converter for the cigarette lighter. And then you go ahead and use this adhesive, put it somewhere on your car. Like I already have one right here. It's basically the same thing, but you want to find like a flat spot to go ahead and put it. And then you can go ahead and mount this thing using this included lock mechanism. But you can also go ahead and mount it on an air vent. So I can go ahead and put this back here, twist this to tighten it, and it basically does the same thing. I'm gonna go ahead and opt for just putting it here because I want to free up my air vent and I have the space to go ahead and do that. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and show you how this thing works. Again, it is 15 watts, so it's very powerful. It will charge it up quickly compared to other MagSafe chargers I use that are a lot slower. And what also helps with that is this fan that's back here. You can't really hear it unless you put your ear up to it. It is very quiet, but that'll go ahead and cool off your phone and make the MagSafe charging more efficient. Alrighty, so we got the charger plugged in, we've got the ignition on, and I've got here an iPhone 15 Pro. This is a Qi wireless charging compatible MagSafe case. So it has some magnets built in there and it'll snap on very nicely to the charger. And look at that. As you can see, it is charging right now. Again, right up there, we got the charging indicator on. So that's really how simple it is. Look at how strong that hold is. This phone's not going anywhere. Perfectly positioned for me to see any directions on my phone while I'm driving. And it charges it up super nicely, which frees up this port right here so I can go ahead and play music through my car stereo. Overall, I highly recommend this Qi wireless charging MagSafe compatible phone mount charger for your car. Thanks for watching.